Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to open another checking account on Nav. If you don't have a Nav Prime account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for banking. To open another checking account, click on the box that says Open another Nav checking account in the center of the screen. A pop-up tab will then appear stating that you can have up to 2 accounts in addition to your main Nav business checking account. To proceed, click on Create Account. That's how you open another checking account on Nav. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.